Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Trello boards integrated with Butler automations. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open Trello and log into your account. Navigate to the board you wish to backup. Click on the three-dot menu in the upper right corner of the board. Select More from the drop-down options. Choose Print and Export. Click on Export as JSON. A file containing your board's data will be downloaded to your. Locate this JSON file on your computer. Now, you'll want to ensure that your Butler automations are captured. Open the Butler power-up on your board. Review the automations you've set up for consistency. Copy any important automation scripts manually into a separate document for safekeeping. For a complete backup, consider using third-party tools that specialize in Trello backups. Many allow you to save both board data and automation settings. Once your backups are complete, organize your files in a dedicated folder. Label the files with clear names and dates for easy retrieval. Store this folder in a reliable location on your device or cloud storage. Regularly repeat this backup process to keep your data up to date. By following these steps, your Trello boards and automations will be securely backed up. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.